Okay, right guys, I am back again. So we'll try and ngcinela. Okay, so to get started guys, you must make sure ukuthi izamp yakho ivulekile. So in this case kumele uvule both i-server ne-MySQL. So i-server uyivula only nje mawurana i-file lene-extension PHP. It's in i-server this one. So if ngitota kutovala la ngivale netle Apache ne sengiyabuya ngithi refresh angeke ingi-recognize because sengiyivalile i-server yami i-local server. So i-PHP irana kwe-server yabona itosho so yeah. So kumele if udila nge-database kumele wente sure ukuthi kuyi-2 lokhu ukuvulile, right? And also localhost ngimchazile last time ukuthi ngithe refresh. Localhost ngimchazile last time uyatifanela na for sure why put check also refresh must. So localhost uyatifanela na. Let me just refresh this thing first. I don't know what's PC up na slow okay, this thing. Okay, I don't know. Okay, nice, I loaded. So localhost guys, inotifanela na 127.0.0.1. So whenever I do this, there is no changes because localhost if so be binary tifanela na this thing. So kunemi the trend ago, there is no place like this address, like this IP address. This address, yeah. So okay guys, to get started, actually I'm going to delete a log since it was our previous tutorial. So I'm going to delete everything now. If I'm going to from the start, this one like weird part. But even on this video, guys, I am not doing any functionality because I'm actually going to come by setup. So as you can see, the basic HTML lana saving an index, and then lana actually ngibita le connection yethu is connected database yethu. So the database yethu, it's a local host, it's server name, low root, it's username, password site. It default actually low root na low password kusingabe na load, and then the tutorials it's database name. So if sita la ku localhost php my admin, as you can check database yethu sinayo it's a tutorials, and then a table lesinayo nyalo it's table name. So to create a database lenyuane, so in this tutorial I'm going to create a database lenyuane. So yeah, okay, so load on CRUD. So on this tutorial, so if we want to create a database, or I skip the video, so let's create a table. Let's database now is tutorials. Let's create a table. Okay, yeah, PC I'm slow guys, and don't call it. So okay, now let's do the ID just for control, just to the ID lana it does int and then lana sits name ngifuna abe maningi lama column because dinedin listed the end la varchar etrad usho ukuthi isifaka text, any text noma ngabe sithi 50 start ligama lemuntu silethe ngana sesithi surname, same thing varchar oh shit ngisheshe ngabhayisa man. Table name yethu ayibe ngiCRUD, send iCRUD la, and then sifake noma 6 ema-column, yeah, noma 67 ngizakho ngisheshe ngabhayisa man. Okay, surname, salana sits age, for example, sits in age. Okay, age, my values of that, no, sits at starts integer value. Ngicabanga ngisweni phela guys, bese lana ngithi ngithi gender ish nje ngifake into esekuqaleni ngathi okay ngithi gender ngithi cell number ngithi cell nje okay int ayivamisi ukuthatha 0 so ngithi bachelor because ayivamisi ukuthatha 0 and then lana nakhona ngithi virtual my values, let's say gender 10, the cell phone number vele it's 10 digits. You know, okay. Okay, I was thinking like I then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's 7. Let's say province, for example. Province downtown. I know labanye badzinga explanation leningi lo. Basically, lena igama yale column and then i-data type wethu sifuna i-accept i-data lenjani. And then lana lo length ukuthi sifuna ama-character langakanani kahle kahle. For example, iba clear kahle manje i-explainer la to a cell phone number because cell phone number vele sifuna 10 yama digits. And then lena ngipenda ukuthi i-auto increment like every time mangifaka i-data iyadingeka yona it's 1, it's 2, it's 3 yabantendete njalo. So size of that way. Okay, let's go. Set and save is for not set my error. Save. Okay. Incorrect primary keys string online. I underline the primary key, yeah, it's fine. So I need to take this one. Hi man. Isn't it easy? I watch her. I ain't tell you once. I'm in danger at my on the end of it. No, hey, I'm not too unique. Not too unique. Yeah, so you said IT. IT size is 3. And man, unique. IT size is 3. Okay, ngithatha isikhathi lesithe la, I don't know why. Okay, I was going to keep it alone hash. Sayitongibanga msebenzi nyalo yabona. Sayitongibanga msebenzi. Must be set as a key. Ngifuna kube primary key then. Ngifuna kube primary key. Let's not put any effect right now. I seven again. Okay, angakuzwa ngisebenza guys. Okay, so na ilo table yethu sesi-create but stop la video start. So kwanyalo sithi data so uyikhatha lana njengoba bengishilo sibe create i-database on this one. Okay.